Bird calls, spider webs glistening in the sun. Bird calls, spider webs, squirrels in the wood. Palm trees, spider webs, bananas, squirrels running in the wood. Bird calls, bird songs. Bird calls, bird songs. Coffee beans. In every gaze there's a world. In every sound there's a universe. In every taste there's a single strand of a spider web sparkling in the sun. A single mote of light twinkling, watching, waiting, wondering, will you come undone? Bird call, spider web, squirrels running in the woods. Sunshine, palm trees, blue and green, red and orange and purple. There is a world, there is a universe in every wink of your eye, in every bird call, in every spider web. There is a world. Listen for your bird call, listen for your song. Notice the sparkle, it's been there all along. A single thread, a single silk, pulling you along, pulling with the strength of all that came before and will come along. Do you feel the call? Do you feel the call? Do you hear? Do you taste? Do you touch? Do you know? The call, the call. Do you hear the call? From deep within. It's there, it's there, it's calling, calling you along. It's there, calling, like the bird song, like the spider, like the squirrel. It is there, it is there, it is being, it is wondering, it is calling. Oh. Do you feel the call, the call, the call? How do you feel the call? How do you feel the call? How do you feel the call? What does the call feel like? What does the call feel like for you? Do you feel it in your heart? Do you feel it in your stomach? Do you feel it in your do you know between your ears? Do you know in your heart or in your ears? What does it feel like for you to know? How do you know when you know? What does it feel like for you to know? How do you know when you know, you know, you know? How do you know when you know, you know, you know, you know? Is it in your body? Is it in your mind? Is it in your spirit? How do you know? How do you know you know? What next? What next? What do I do now? What do you do now? What do we do now? We sit, we wait, we wonder. We wonder what now, what next, what's coming, what's going. Whatever is here. The bird call, the bird call, the bird call, the bird calls you. How does the bird know? How does the squirrel know? How does the spider know? How do they know? How do they know? How do you know? How does the bird know? How does the squirrel know? How does the spider know? Do they know? Do they know or do they do? Is it really about knowing? Is it really about doing? Is it really about being all you are, all you are? I know the bird knows, I know the squirrel knows, I know the spider knows, but why don't I know? Why don't I know? I know the bird knows, I know the squirrel knows, I know the spider knows, I know the tree knows, I know the sun knows. But why don't I know? Why don't don't I know? Do I know? Do I know? Maybe I do know. Maybe you do know. Maybe we do know. And we've known all along. But how do we know? Where do we know? How do we know? Where do we know? And can we learn to trust the knowing? Can we forget to fear the knowing? Can we forget? Will we forget? Will we release the need to know? And through that, we will know. When I don't need to know. When I don't need to know. I can release control. And in that power, in that release, in that letting go, everything softens. And I know, I know, I know. I know, I know, I know, you know. We've forgotten what it needs to know. We've been practicing our whole lives to forget, to disconnect. Now it's time to realize, to relearn, to forget the disconnect. Forget the disconnect. Forget the disconnect. Remember what it means to know, what it feels like to know. To know the bird song, to know the squirrel running through the woods, to know the spider threading along, to know, to know. Do we focus on forgetting? Do we focus on remembering? Do we focus on what do we focus on? Focus on, focus on. Right now, right now, right now. The past is the past, the future is there, the future is in the future, it is the way. But right now, right now, right now, right now is only right now. It's only right now, now is only now, is only now. To search to know, to search for the knowing, the searching, the longing, the searching. Searching for what isn't here, what isn't here. Searching for what isn't here. But what is to search for what is here, what's already here, what's always here. The smell, the taste, the feeling of your palms, the touch of the air, the goosebumps lifting a hair. The colors entering your eyes, the light drifting from the sky. Do you feel that muscle that wants to be moving? Is it okay to let it move, to let it do, to be what it wants to be, rather than saying, no, I must, I should? Do you feel the quiver? Do you feel the texture? Do you feel the pull? Do you feel the pull, the pull, the pull, the pull? You are the pull, you are the pull, you are the texture, you are the taste, and you are so much more than anything. You are the birdsong, you are the squirrel, you are the spider web. As it enters your own mind, as it enters your awareness. Do you feel the pull? Do you feel the pull? The pull to rise, the pull to be. Listen to your limbs, listen to your knowing. Listen, 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 listen. You can fight or you can follow. You can fight or you can follow. You can hold tight, or you can loosen control and allow it to move, allow it to groove, allow it to be what it is to be, what it is, what you are. To move, to groove, to flow, to feel, to be. Can we release that grasp on what this moment needs to be like, what it should be like, and allow it to just be as it is? To feel the song, to feel the smoothness, to feel the song, to feel the grinding, the longing, the pulling, the pushing, the wanting. That's okay, it's okay to want, to pull, to grind, to feel, to push. It's okay, let it be okay, it's okay. You're okay, they're okay, we're okay. It's okay. Release, open up. Do you feel the one place of tension, the one place of grasp, the one, the many, it could be many. The tightness, the tension, the traction. The tightness, the tension. Does it need to change? Does it need to change? Does it need to change? Why does it need to change? Why does it need to change? Why do you need to change? Why do you need to change? Why do we need to change? Why? Why? Doesn't really matter why. The why is just a story. The why is just a story. Does it need to change? That's a choice. It's a choice you can make right now. Does it need to change? Does it need to change? Do you need to change? Do you want to change? Do you need to change? Do you feel the change? Are you holding the change, or are you holding who you are right now? Are you holding the story, or are you holding yourself? Are you holding yourself? Hold yourself, hold yourself. Right now, right now, right now. You are okay. We are okay. All is okay. All is well. All is well. And we open our eyes and we see how much more there can be. And we see and then the voice might come, the voice might rise and say, but oh my gosh, isn't there so much wrong? What about? What about? What about all those other things that we can't control? The world is burning. The world is okay, the world is okay. The world is okay, the world is okay. The world is the world, is the world, is the world, is the world, is the world. She is okay, she is okay. She is okay. Just like you, just like you. Can we be okay? Can you be okay? Can I be okay when it seems like nothing is okay? When the story comes up that nothing is okay, can you be okay? Yes, you can. Yes, you are. That's the skill, that's the practice, that's the way. To be okay, to be okay. To feel when nothing feels okay, and to still be okay. You're okay, she's okay, we're okay. It's okay. But how do you know it's okay? How do you know it's okay if you're not holding on? How do you know it's okay? How can you say it's okay when it feels so wrong? How do you know it's okay? Where do you know it's okay? How do you know it's okay? You don't know it's okay in the future. You don't feel it's okay in the past. The only time for okay is right now. In the pain, in the pressure, in the pain, in the pressure, in this moment, as all those feelings are emerging and arising, do you feel okay? Just that little morsel, that little granule that is okay. That's the truth. That's the knowing. That's the voice. That's the calling. That's the voice. That's the knowing. That's the voice. That's the calling. Not calling for more, not calling for more, not calling for more. Calling to be right now, calling to be right now, calling to allow, to allow, to allow, allow, allow yourself to be right now, right now. The birds and the squirrels and the spiders and the trees and the sky, they arise, they appear, they enter your eyes and your mind. Right now, right now, right now. You've been gathering, 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 gathering stories and sights and matter. You've been gathering, 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 gathering stories and sights and matter and material. You've been gathering, 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 gathering. Holding on, holding on, holding on, holding on, gathering, gathering, holding on. And open your hands, open your gaze, soften control. All that you've gathered, all that you've gathered. Let it go, 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 let it go. For right now, for right now, for right now, for right now. Let it go, let it go, let it go. Let it go, let it go, let it go. And feel the granule, the morsel, the moment, the all is well, 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 all is. And soften and soften. And soften and soften. And the voice may arise, the voice may arise and say thank you, and soften and soften and soften and open and exhale and exhale and gather and release. Gather and release. All is well. All is well. You are okay. You are okay. We are okay. She is okay. All is okay. All is well. All is well.